don't like this. I want different one.
For you.
Oh, so sweet. Mga into Plants vs. Zombies. Only 20 reais.
Yeah, 20 Ds, 20 last time, 20 last time, and last time, and last time. How many?
Did you pack the flashlight, the blanket, and the mat? It's a real adventure, the trail you're looking at. I'm glad you came. For a while I thought you might be bailing. Is that the same yellow shirt you used to wear?
Bom dia!
Bom dia! Magandang umaga!
Hey guys! So Hafa and I just
Move!
it's gonna be so exciting because we're going to buy our own stuff.
Step by step.
Yeah.
Because everything's so expensive, oh my
That's
god.
true. Today we're going to check some stuffs to put in our apartment. Okay? Let's go?
Let's go. Let's go.
So guys, we just have arrived. And I'm so excited to show you our new apartment. Soon we're going to our apartment, so make sure to stay tuned. And actually guys, wala kaming masyadong binili para sa aming bagong apartment dahil ang family ni Hafa is very supportive. So, meron na kaming ref, meron na kaming lutuan, ano yun? Stove and oven, meron na ring microwave, TV. Of course, it's not brand new. Yung galing yun sa mga tita niya, sa mama niya. They're very, very supportive. And hindi talaga ako nag-expect na we almost don't need to buy anything kasi as in, lahat bigay ng mga tita niya, mama niya, pamilya niya. So ngayon mga binibili na lang namin is yung mga maliliit na bagay, kunwari mga basurahan, mga panglinis, mga maliliit na bagay. So ngayon, this is the place.
This is also a big supermarket today.
This is also big supermarket?
Big one.
Oh. Ang kulang na lang namin is TV rack and center table. Actually, washing machine. But for now, makikilaban na lang muna kami sa mama ni Hafa. So, let's go.
Let's go.
Tada, tada, tada. It's also a big...
This is a big look at that.
Wow! Parang SM. It's also a supermarket.
And sell a lot of things, not just a supermarket. So sell TV stuff for the house, cell phones, and food and clothes, all the stuff. Yeah, so here they sell not just the supermarket stuff. So they sell like no, maybe not gonna tell how there's so many people here around.
Hafa, ang gustong-gusto niya talagang biling brand new is TV. Kahit meron na kami galing sa tita niya. Okay. Pero ako, ang gusto kong bilhin ay mga halaman. Guys, I'm so excited to bring it to our new apartment. I'm going to show you, I have few plants already. Dito meron sila mga benebenta, pero konti lang yung varieties. Maybe next time we're going to go to the plant store. Plant store? Ano ba tawag doon? Hafa.
I'm with TV, you with the plants. It's the same.
Hanap tayo ng TV rack. Sabi ni Hafa, TV hack daw yon dahil hindi sila gumagamit ng R sa beginning ng word. What are we going to buy? TV?
TV hack.
We already have TV! We already have TV!
I just checked the price. We already have so many plants and still wanna have more, right?
Easy!
TV, 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 TV.
TV, so many.
Fridge, but for now we don't need a fridge. Actually, we don't want to buy new stuffs because maybe soon, sooner or later, we're going to travel, right?
Yes, that's true.
So we're really saving money for that. And if there's second hand, why not, right, diba?
It's good brand.
So, mga lutuan.
The size of this.
What? Which one?
The size of the supermarket, maybe.
I saw the sign of the signage. We use tabo.
No, no tabo. This is better. I think this is okay.
Okay.
This is
Okay. Look at this plant. It's so different. It's like Christmas. Look. so different. Oh, so sweet. It's so good that Hafa is very supportive about plants. So, like, which one?
All of them.
Oh, really? Let's check. Rehayas. This is nice. Parang nangangain to Plants vs. Zombies. Bebeng, this one, oh.
Yeah, they can use the mosquitoes.
Yeah. This is only 20 reais.
Yeah, 20 Ds, 20 last time, 20 last time, and last time, and last time. How many 20s do already have? A lot. More than 100 reais already in plants. But be fast.
Okay. Let's get one of these. Careful! Cortina! Curtain, bebeng! We don't have... This is what I told you, like, see-through. Look at this. I like white. Because our sofa is already brown. So we're also looking for some... So we're looking for some curtains para hindi kami makita ng aming kapitbahay. And meron na kaming salamin. I like this one. Our theme, brown and white and black. Pati yung mga pillow-pillow, wala pa kaming pillow. Oh, I love this! I like this living! Wow! So this is the curtain that we kinda like. It's kinda silky. Yeah. This one, 69, so expensive, I believe. How do you sleep? Toto. Guys, walang TV rack dito, walang center table, meron lang plants. So we're going to buy plants?
Yeah. I cannot escape from that.
Dito, merong murang plants. Ito yung Bali style ng plant to. So, babalikan na namin ni Hafa. Ang nabili lang namin is itong salamin, pati yung bidet. Kailangan din namin mamili ng mga lalagyan.
So cheap. Find a nice one, nice price.
No, I don't like this. I want different one.
Alright, exactly. We find a good one, nice price.
No, I don't like this.
Try this blue over here.
Wait, I like orange. Maybe this. This, I like this color.
I think I prefer orange.
Can be this one.
Okay. Happy now? Are you happy? Are you happy?
Here have 3 reais.
One plant per time. You already get your plant, so let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Just
Close,
check here.
close your eyes. You cannot see anything anymore. It's done already. Let's go. I know you're gonna
No,
get.
this is 12.
But that's a small one. We need to just find the TV.
Rock or TV? TV rock or TV?
The support for TV.
Yeah.
It's already good for 2 persons.
Yeah. Which one though? 1, 2, 3. Ah, yeah. Swimming pool daw. So, let's enter. Let's find some stops for the apartment. Wow, chandelier. Chandelier. Oh, that one is nice. Wow. Ang mamahal. So today, Hafa and I searching for the TV rack.
Just to tell you, here don't have TV rack.
That's true. This is like a
Here is just for more
hardware.
construction, or, you know.
Yeah.
So you can see stuff.
We can just
here.
change our tiles.
Crazy. No, not now.
Location wrong, ink. What? That one to wee. Because I told Hafa, we just use Tabo. Right, Mibang? We use Tabo for our apartment.
Yeah, you use Tabo. I don't use this Filipina stuff.
We are going to use Tabo. But he doesn't want it. 69. The international Tabo. Guys, here in Brazil, every single house has this kind of shower. Either this one, but this one is kind of new. But this one is the traditional one. This is a shower. There's like very hot, just hot, and
Off.
really hot. Hindi hot.
In the middle is off.
Ah, this is off. So, every single house here in Brazil, merong ganito. But in the Philippines, when we wake up in the morning, yung mama natin, nag-init ng tubig, ganun lang, and then lalagyan mo ng tubig yung timba. But dito sa Brazil, may ganito sila. So, yeah. Let's go to the next store. Go to the next stop. Right?
Let's go.
Pogi. Because we cannot find the TV rack. The only thing that we need to buy, and we cannot even find. Ay. Ta-da! So here, it's okay. I have a jowa.
I'm your Joa?
Yes, you're my jowa. Not husband.
Not yet.
Soon?
Like this.
Soon?
Soon.
Ooh. Let's go. Ang gagawin niya.
Stop making videos of that, please. Come on. You don't do videos, you're searching for clothes.
No.
For plants all the time.
I'm sorry. Bibili na siya kasi may mga promotion, guys. Nasa TV na naman kami. Lindo, we need to buy TV rack. Not TV, pero nababaliw pa rin siya mamili ng bagong TV dahil yan ang paborito niya. Papa! Vamos? Dito tayo pupunta. Tada! Maghahanap tayo dito ng mga bagay-bagay pang bahay. Kung may mura. That one, how much is that one? That's really small. I think that's gonna be nice if they have white. It's Maharlika. Ah, here, let's go. This is the TV rack. But I think it's too expensive in this place. So let's just go for an idea. Ah, this one is so nice. 50% off. But still so expensive.
50% off.
Guys, wala kaming nahanap. So ngayon magbabayad na kami ng parking at uuwi na kami.
You were tall, I looked up. From where I sat, wished I wouldn't dressed up. Your first line, won't forget. So is it true, no one's taking you yet? I remember people staring as we stepped outside. They had only one goal, get me off of your mind. I was